Keeping up with TDS and TCS isn't easy. Tax rules change often, and your returns can't afford mistakes. That's where TDSMAN software steps in, simplifying compliance and guiding you smoothly through every filing. With TDSMAN, you can work the way you prefer, install it on your computer, or simply log in and use it online. TDSMAN offers smooth data imports, smart validations to catch issues early, and seamless integration with income tax portals. Secure, dependable, and designed for everyday use. TDSMAN turns compliance into an effortless experience. With over 20+ years of experience, TDSMAN has earned the trust of more than 100,000+ users across India. Get started the smart way with TDSMAN. Visit www.tdsman.com.